Want to snag some extra points on Fetch Rewards right from the start? Let's dive into how to use a referral code and unlock those bonus points. First things first, download the Fetch Rewards app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. The link to download is in the description below for easy access. Now, when you open the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign up. This is where the magic happens. Carefully fill in your email address and create a secure password. See that referral code field? This is where you'll enter the code you received from your friend, family member, or favorite influencer. Make sure you type it in exactly as it was given to you. Capitalization matters. Go ahead and type in that referral code. Double check that you've entered the code correctly before moving on to the next step. Once you've entered the referral code and filled out the rest of the sign-up form, tap the Create Account button. Congratulations! If the referral code was valid, you should see a pop-up message confirming that your bonus points have been added to your account. It's like free money just for signing up. Now, start scanning your receipts and earning even more points on everyday purchases. Remember, using a referral code not only benefits you but also rewards the person who shared their code with you. Happy scanning!